Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is going to be a tutorial about how to remove objects from video on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So I already opened the CapCut and I already have the clip that I would like to remove the objects in. Okay, so I would like to show to you how to remove this part or this object. So the things that we have to do now is just click the clip, and after that we need to duplicate this clip. So how to duplicate it? You just need to take a look on these bottom features and select the features into the left side until you find copy. Here we go. So just need to go click it to copy it, and in this part on the duplicate clip you just need to find a overlay features, this one, and this clip will be an overlay, and you just need to bring this into the beginning of the clip by drag it into the beginning of the clip, and now we already have it. So for the next thing, you just need to go click the overlay clip, and after that we just need to find a mask tools here, the mask tools, and now we need to choose the circles and choose the sample of the background by drag it into the specific part, which is this white background. I think it's quite saved, and whenever you're done you just need to go click done. And now we just need to resizing the clip, the overlay clip, so that it can cover the object that we want to remove by pinch with two of your finger and drag it into the specific part that we want to cover. Almost there, and right, there you go. And now the object is already removed, and let's take a look on the results. So that's the way how to remove object on a CapCut. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't ever forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.